A lot of people have pain right in the front and in the side. So let's say right here, especially if you're using your computer a lot, or you're doing bench press, or you're an athlete throwing a football, you're gonna have pain right here. People who sleep on their shoulder have pain right here. What is that pain? Hi, I'm Dr. Dabbs with Rehab Centers of Maryland in Columbia, Maryland. Here today I want to talk about tendinitis, bursitis. And so do you understand what a tendon is? So basically what you have here is a shoulder injury. Well, if you look back deep inside underneath the skin, you'll see the pec muscles, the deltoids, the biceps. Right here where the white lines are, that's where the muscles join into the bones. Those white little lines here are called tendons. That's what gets injured all the time. You rarely have a muscleitis, where the muscle inflames. It's always the tendon, about 99% of the time. And if the tendon inflames, there's a little sac of fluid underneath these tendons, and each joint has about 10 to 20 of them, and they're called bursa sacs. So looking at a shoulder, you see all these orange things are bursas and ligaments. And these little bursas that are in the front and everywhere else, if those tendons are inflamed, the bursas are inflamed. And so now you got bursitis / tendinitis. A lot of people get cortisone shots on those thinking that helps. Helps for about 2-3 weeks, sometimes 6 months. But 6 months later, they're worse because the blood supply stopped that heals it. So you want to do whatever you can to increase the blood supply to heal it. Heat is one way, heat for 20 minutes. If it's extremely acute from a new injury, ice for 10 minutes is good. But heat is normally good. So if I put heat right under my shoulder for about 20 minutes, I do this 2-3 times a day, it helps. And then I have other videos to show how do you treat tendonitis of a shoulder. So please watch those, because those go into a huge detail, how to prevent shoulder injuries, how to have a great shoulder, back, neck, all your joints when you're playing sports like football, athletes, playing running, hitting baseballs, doing all kinds of sport activities. This is a must-see for them. So please watch that video as well on how to treat tendonitis bursitis and how to prevent it. So that gives you an idea of what tendons are and what bursas are, so that next time you get an ouch pain wherever the joint is, now you know what it is and know how to heal it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to comment below.